Hello, everyone. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you today from Gardening for Better Health. How is everyone doing? Today, I am doing absolutely wonderful, and it's all because of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, I am celebrating crossing the 1,000 subscriber mark for my channel. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for returning to watch the videos that I put up and stay updated on what I'm doing here. I appreciate your viewership. This channel would not exist without you. I appreciate each and every one. Thank you. To help celebrate this, I had a cake made. Now, I didn't do this cake myself. I bought this cake and I had them to inscribe 1,000 subscribers on it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I am very appreciative of the fact that you have stuck with me. It has been an interesting journey. And I don't know if you all are aware of how I got started with Gardening for Better Health. I'll tell you a little bit about the origins. In 2000, you remember we had that pandemic, and that was a very trying and traumatizing time for most of us. During that time, here in Michigan, the stores and the businesses actually shut down. Here in my state, the governor shut all of the businesses down due to COVID. All of the stores, all of the gathering places, all of that stuff was shut down. To the point where people couldn't go to work. I couldn't go to work. I'm a mental health therapist. And the person that I was renting my office from to see my clients, he shut the office down. Everybody that worked there could not go into work because of COVID. The building was locked and we couldn't see clients. We couldn't do anything in the building. Everybody had to go home. Now, I do a lot of things. I've always had at least one or two jobs at the same time because I like to stay busy. But I couldn't do anything. Couldn't do my regular job, couldn't do my part-time job, couldn't do anything. Now, I like to stay busy. And the problem with not being able to do anything is that it drives you nuts. I'm running around trying to find something to do because I do a lot of things, but I do not do nothing well. It's difficult for me to do nothing. And so I was very antsy and upset that there was nothing constructive to do. It had to be something constructive where I could work and see some benefit from it, not necessarily monetarily, but some benefit from it for myself or for other people. And so I thought about what could I do and how could I be helpful to somebody somewhere. So I thought about the YouTube channels that I usually follow. There are a lot of different things, teaching things being done on YouTube. And I said, well, let me see, what can I do? What can I share that would help somebody else and help me be productive during this time of COVID where everything was shut down? And so I thought about it. I said, well, I always wanted to garden. I never had time to garden because I was always working. Well, I had nothing to do now. I had nothing to stop me from gardening at that point. And so I did research and I started to teach myself how to do certain things. And that was very beneficial for me. I really began to enjoy learning to do things in the garden. Everything didn't turn out correct. Some of the things I tried to do didn't turn out well. Sometimes I would do something and find out, oh, well, that doesn't work, so I better do something different. And so it has been a very, very wonderful learning experience for me. And I got a chance to take you along with me so that you can see what I was doing. And I always want to encourage people to do something different. Don't be afraid to try new things. That's the only way that we learn. That's the only way that we grow, is to try something new. If it works out, great. If it doesn't work, well, try something a little bit different to get it to work next time. So that's where I have been with this channel, growing personally and sharing the growth with you all. And I have really enjoyed the feedback that I've gotten from my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much. And I hope that you continue to stick with me, continue to contribute, continue to ask questions. I really enjoy interacting with all of my viewers and subscribers. I appreciate each and every one. So this is where I am. I did get this cake to celebrate, and I wanted to cut a piece of cake here. And it's yellow cake with these beautiful sprinkles on it. Well, actually, it's a white cake. Look at that. The cake itself has sprinkles on the inside. How about that? So I'm really happy about this. I appreciate each and every one. And I'm going to take a taste of this cake in your honor. It's delicious. It's white cake with the sprinkles on the inside and the white icing, and it's absolutely delicious. I wish you were here so you could have some with me, but that's okay. You're here in spirit, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you again. I'm gonna taste a piece for you. Good. So this is Henry B 723. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back to my channel on a regular basis. Have your friends check out my channel. When you like and share, it helps my channel in the algorithm, and I really appreciate your participation. If you have any questions, leave them below. Until next time, this is Henry B 723. Bye for now.